Have you ever seen something like this? आपने ऐसा नज़ारा कभी कहीं देखा है? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you have watched my first vlog on Hanoi, you already know that I visited the famous train street. But I did not get to experience it fully because the train did not arrive on time. We waited, we sipped on some delicious local coffee, and yes, we tried egg coffee, coconut coffee. But after a while, hunger took over. And if you did not watch my first vlog, I will put the link in the description. And let me tell you, after days of exploring Vietnam, everyone was seriously craving Indian food. So we set off in search of good Indian food. And finally, we found a perfect spot to satisfy our taste buds.
It is a rock for high.
ये देखो खाने पे टूट पड़े हुए लोग
मुश्किल से इंडियन खाना मिला है यार। गाँव में बनाए हुए हैं।
2 दिन वियतनाम में रह के इनका ये हाल हो गया है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा।
खाने के लिए जीते हैं। तेरा भी यही है।
After a warm and hearty meal, we were ready to dive back into the heart of Train Street, this time at night.
बैठ जाओगे खाट पर।
क्या आपने कभी 3 बूढ़े लोगों के साथ सफर किया है? अगर नहीं, तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि कैसा फील होता है। ठीक है, मस्ती करवा रहे हैं। इन्हें लगता है कि मुझे मस्ती करवा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो एक्चुअली मुझे टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं। मुझे नहीं लगता कि जैसे कि मैंने कॉफी ऑर्डर करी और मैंने सिप नहीं लिया कॉफी का एक टाइम तक, तो एक बोलेगा थोड़ी कॉफी ठंडी हो गई, दूसरा बोलेगा फिर कॉफी नहीं पी, अरे तू कॉफी भूल गई। तो 3 शब्द।
And oh my god, what a transformation! The energy was electrifying. The streets were alive with excitement. Strings of beautiful Christmassy lights lit up the narrow alleyways, creating a magical glow. People were everywhere, chatting, laughing, and eagerly waiting for the train. The whole atmosphere was buzzing with positive energy, like a festival that never ends. कैसा लग रहा है ये वाला व्यू?
लोगों ने पैसे खर्च कर।
This train street is more vibrant. The other one we went, that was more of a traditional look, but this is more, having more Christmas vibe. All the lights, bright and beautiful. So a little tip here. When you come to Train Street, don't just settle for the first cafe you see. I mean, it's tempting to stop right at the entrance, but trust me, take a walk inside. The street is long, and as you explore, you will find so many beautiful cafes, each with its own charm, views, and vibe. Side, आ जाओ, और उधर जाएंगे।
और आगे?
हाँ,
चलो
आ जाओ।
How many people?
4. And here we got our perfect spot. passion fruit yogurt.
And finally, the moment we have been waiting for. The train is coming. The energy here is just incredible. Everyone is ready with their cameras. People are cheering, and the thrill of watching the train pass by so close. It's unreal.
Earlier we were sitting on the track, now everybody is moved out of the track. We kept some crackers under the train, so those are going to blast once train arrives.
Wait, what happened just now? Where is the train? Everyone is still looking at the tracks like train is going to come. But no, that was it. Just the engine. And 2 hours of waiting for this? Oh my goodness. We are literally scammed. The whole crowd is just in shock right now. People are looking at each other and like, did we just get scammed by the train? We waited for so long for this moment. So now we have two options: wait another 2-3 hours for the actual train, or just call it a night. And honestly, we cannot wait anymore. We are done. This was definitely an experience, but not the one we expected. But hey, it's all part of adventure. Let me know in the comments, what would you do? Would you wait another 3 hours or just head home? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crazy travel stories. See you in the next one. So, to end the night on a perfect note, we did a little bit of shopping and we decided to treat ourselves to an amazing, relaxing massage. And let me tell you, after all the walking and the long wait at Train Street, this feels like heaven.
Sun massage time.
Bà tự quay được mà.
Thank you. And इधर लगे हुए हैं यशु दी.
कि एकदम चूर हो रहा था ना, सही होगा.